hotter. What them a go do ya now? No link on the attack now. Bring a old trendsetter. No link. Hotter.
Always I go talk about how cruel people is in Jamaica right now, people. Because look at it now, Zane. Many Jamaicans right now, people, I'm telling you, for a fact right now, turn their backs on Jamaica that's living in England right now because of things like this. And me feel the same way right now, people. Because at the rate how things look now. Look at it. Oh, as me telling in the previous video, how hard a man work. Zine, your house almost reach a level where you have a roof on it, you render your house, you put on your gate, your grill, your window, you do everything. But I just, you know what I mean, finishing up for you. You go down now and you feel proud of yourself when I look on your mansion. And a man who you employ to work with you take your life like that. This lady here, she's a beautician, right, people? And she sell her clothes them and stuff, and you know what I mean? She don't deserve it. I'm looking at this lady right now, people. She didn't deserve to die this way. Zane? So, look one in. There's plenty of people in England, you know. It's not the first Jamaican who their England, build their house, come back down, you know what I mean? And them kill. It's not the first time in St. Mary either happen. And remember one did happen, thinking this year with the man is a 60-year-old from where the place the name in St. Mary, that's up, I forgot where the place the name, right? And the same thing happened. Zine? That in Tower Isles. In Tower Isles. The same thing happened. And people, John, it's not good. You know what I mean? It's not good. It's really not good. Just look at this lady. Having her fun. She's a fun person, you can say. She's somebody who just want to be happy. She's somebody who love herself, proud of herself. You know what I mean? Pushing to achieve best of herself. And a man just come take her out like that. So, when you hear the UK people them attack and say, yo, them nah, come back, and them would rather go in different country like Cuba, you know what I mean? Even the same Turks and Caicos, not some different country, go relax and chill instead of going to Jamaica. Can you blame them? Can you blame them? When you see a Jamaican, they are foreign, and you don't build a house at Jamaica, you don't buy a piece of land. You don't know, some people are saying worthless because you don't know in bank books they are foreign. Can you blame him? Can you blame him? Because when he do build that house, is he going to get a chance to live in that house? That's my question. You going to get a chance to live in the house? No. As I tell people, it's not the first time it happened. It's not the second time it happened. And it's not the third time. And I know for sure it's not going to be the last. Why? Why mankind has to be so cruel and wicked against our own brothers and sisters? Where is that love that we shall have inside that we use with each one another on a daily basis? Where's that heart, that soft heart where we can find for brothers and sisters? I know not everyone gonna be the same, but listen, man, not everybody deserve to go certain way of people. Some people definitely not deserve it. You know what I mean? It's sad. You know this 2 times I really do a blog on this lady. To tell her it touch New Link and it touch the team too. The team are shook up about this because to tell her this lady was somebody on our channel who comment on several videos, and you know what I mean? A fan of New Link. And then you see them take her out like that. See yo, and a man confess to do the killing. And you know say I'm going to go to prison. Because still I get good haircut. Put on them tight pants here and them little shoes. And I eat taxpayers' money. While a lady is gone. People. Who does you know star? Viewers and subscribers. Big up on yourself because every time hotter.
them a go do ya know? New link and the attack now. Bling a old chain setter. New link. Attack.